Welcome. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer your crypto from Phantom Wallet to your bank account. So the first thing that you need to do is to actually open another app that can actually transfer or withdraw to your bank account. So Phantom Wallet can't actually do that. So first we'll open Coinbase. After you open Coinbase, now you need to click on transfer to actually find the cryptocurrency that you want to receive the money from Phantom. So you need to click on it, and now you need to click on receive crypto. After you do that, now you need to choose the cryptocurrency type that you want to sell, so we will choose Solana. After you do that, now go back to Phantom Wallet and click on send as from here, and now choose the type of cryptocurrency that you want to sell. So choose Solana as from here, and after that type the amount of crypto that you want to sell. Now if you go back to Coinbase, you will find that the crypto is now received. You need to click on buy and sell. After you do that, now you need to click on sell crypto. So now you need to sell the amount that you want to sell as from here. So now you need to write the amount that you want to actually sell. After that, click on sell now. Then here again in Coinbase, you need to click on transfer. After you do that, now you need to click on withdraw cash and put the full amount that you want to withdraw, and you need to add your bank account. After that, now your money will be withdrawn to your bank account. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.